Is there mistakes made in politics? Is there mistakes made? Absolutely. Not everybody's like me where I just say, this is who I am, period. I'm not going to change. I was the same person before, the same person after, and I would be the same person if I was a president, a governor, whatever. I'm not going to change to go over here against my moral compass or my, you know what I mean?
Well, you were asked to endorse a Republican, and you're like, well, wait a minute, aren't you pro-abortion? And what was her response?
Yeah, that's exactly right. That's a good point. A Republican came to me this was 2018. Mike, will you do an event for me? And I said, no. I said, you're pro-choice. And she goes, no, I'm right in the middle. I go, what do you half kill a baby? I said, here is the headlines. Mike Lindell goes against his Christian values to back a Republican. Ain't happening, right?
You also didn't run around endorsing Dr. Oz either, did you?
No, I did not. Absolutely I did. That's my number one thing. If you're not behind what I believe in, I'm certainly not going to endorse you for anything.
Trump is hostile to traditional Christianity. Trump is mad at Christians for opposing abortion and mentions it a lot in private. And he's very annoyed by it. And opposition to abortion annoys him a lot. It was mentioned to me like 30 times. I vehemently oppose abortion, just to be clear, because I think it's killing a child. Like, what are we doing? But I haven't argued with him about it. I just listened. Maybe I should have, but I didn't. But he's got a really strong view on that.
The federal government still plays a role in whether or not women have access to abortion pills. They're used in about 2/3 of all abortions. As president, would you block abortion medication?
First of all, the Supreme Court just approved the abortion pill, and I agree with their decision to have done that, and I will not block it.
This is a clip from my lecture, Christians, Nominal Christians, and Other Social Conservatives Must Not Vote for Trump and Any Other Rhino, and this lecture was done on 8/4/2024, and it can be accessed in my RJMI video lectures menu or the Mary's Little Remnant political page.
Trump, who lost Georgia in 2020, is back in the state to raise money. But tonight, it's his views on abortion making headlines. Trump says he thinks Arizona should change its abortion laws after the state's Supreme Court ruled 1800-era laws banning the procedure can stand.
Did Arizona go too far?
Yeah, they did, and that'll be straightened out. And as you know, it's all about states' rights, and it'll be straightened out. And I'm sure that the governor and everybody else are going to bring it back into reason, and that'll be taken care of, I think, very quickly.
So Trump now believes it is reasonable to murder infants as long as they are not in the womb of the mothers for too long. So Trump not only opposed Arizona's near total ban on abortion, he also banned Governor Ron DeSantis' heartbeat law in Florida that bans abortion after the infant has a heartbeat, which is about 40 days after conception. He said the law is too extreme.
Welcome back. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis appears ready to finally draw some political battle lines with Donald Trump. One of them over abortion. It all started earlier this week when the former president called Florida's 6-week abortion ban harsh. That, of course, is the ban that Governor DeSantis recently signed into law. DeSantis reacted to Trump's comments yesterday. Take a listen.
Protecting an unborn child when there's the detectable heartbeat is something that almost probably 99% of pro-lifers support. It's something that other states like Iowa under Governor Kim Reynolds have enacted. And I think that as a Florida resident, you know, he didn't give an answer about would you have signed the heartbeat bill that Florida did. They had all the exceptions that people talk about. The legislature put it in. I signed the bill. I was proud to do it. He won't answer whether he would sign it or not.
And I think, you know, there have been a lot of Republicans through the years, you know, who've said they would do things, but when it really gets tough, you know, are you able to stand your ground and do it? You know, right to life. We were able to deliver the heartbeat bill, which was a big, big deal. And, you know, while I appreciate what the former president has done in a variety of realms, he opposes that bill. He said it was, quote, harsh to protect an unborn child when there's a detectable heartbeat. I think that's humane to do.
What say you, Mike Lindell?